Swann camera recording issues typically stem from three main areas: storage problems with the SD card, incorrect motion detection settings, or connectivity issues with the Swann security app. We'll address each of these in detail to get your camera recording again. As of January 2026, these are the most common culprits. First, ensure your micro SD card is compatible with Class 10 or higher speed rating. Check if the card is properly formatted. Use FAT32 for cards under 32 gigabits and exFAT for larger capacities. Try reinserting the card securely and restart the camera to refresh the connection. Use the Swann app's built-in formatter to properly format the SD card and avoid manual errors. If problems persist, the card may be corrupted or damaged. Back up your data first, then replace with a reputable brand like SanDisk. Access camera settings via the Swann security app. Navigate to motion detection in the settings. Adjust the sensitivity slider. Set it lower for environments with pets or frequent movement to reduce false triggers. Enable smart motion if your camera has it. This uses AI to filter human motion, reducing unnecessary recordings. Use the motion test feature to fine-tune the settings. Ensure your Swann security app is updated to the latest version. Verify that your camera is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Use 2.4 GHz for older models and 5 GHz for newer ones. Try resetting the app data or repairing the camera via Bluetooth. Disable any VPNs, as they can interfere with the app's connectivity. Check that two-factor authentication is properly set up if enabled. Keep your Swann camera's firmware up to date. Swann regularly releases updates to address bugs and improve performance. Check for available updates in the Swann security app and install them promptly. Outdated firmware can cause recording failures and other issues. Firmware version 4.2.1, late 2025, addressed many SD card corruption bugs. Extreme temperatures can affect SD card performance. If your camera is outdoors, consider a weatherproof enclosure. Regularly check the SD card for any signs of physical damage, especially after extreme weather events. Format the card via the app periodically to maintain optimal performance. Swann offers cloud storage options that can serve as a backup or alternative to SD cards. Consider subscribing to a cloud plan to ensure your recordings are safely stored even if the SD card fails. This also provides remote access to your footage. As of 2025, there's been a 25% increase in cloud subscriptions among Swann users, highlighting this trend. To summarize, follow this checklist to troubleshoot your Swann camera recording issues. First, check SD card compatibility and formatting. Ensure it's a compatible Class 10 card properly formatted. Second, adjust motion detection sensitivity in the app settings. Third, update the Swann security app and camera firmware to the latest versions. Fourth, ensure stable Wi-Fi connectivity for reliable camera operation. Fifth, consider environmental factors that might affect camera performance. Sixth, explore cloud storage options for backup and reliability. By systematically addressing these points, you should be able to resolve most recording issues with your Swann camera.